Hi, and welcome to Tap Tech. Today we're talking about the Google Pixel Watch 3. This is Google's newest smartwatch and the most advanced one yet. With this release, Google is trying to fix some past issues while adding new features and a cleaner design. It's smarter, faster, and more refined than before. Whether you're coming from the Pixel Watch 2 or switching from another smartwatch, the Pixel Watch 3 brings plenty to get excited about. Let's take a deep dive into what makes this smartwatch different and whether it's worth your time and money. The first thing you'll notice is the design. At a glance, the Pixel Watch 3 looks similar to last year's model. But Google has made small improvements that make a big difference. The bezels are slimmer now, which gives you more screen space. It still has that round, domed display with a smooth, clean shape. It's elegant, simple, and lightweight. The case is made of recycled stainless steel and feels solid without being heavy. It comes in new color options, which are stylish and blend well with most outfits. Whether you're in the gym or at a formal dinner, the Pixel Watch 3 doesn't look out of place. The display is brighter this time. You get an AMOLED screen that looks stunning, even in direct sunlight. Everything from watch faces to app icons looks crisp and colorful. The screen supports always-on mode, and now it's even more efficient. That means you can check the time or your notifications without lifting your wrist or tapping the screen. It feels faster and more responsive too. The touch gestures are smooth, and apps open quickly. Google really polished the software here inside. The Pixel Watch 3 runs on a newer processor. It's more power efficient and handles tasks faster than before. Whether you're checking messages, tracking your workout, or running apps, the watch doesn't slow down. It also comes with more RAM and storage. That means more space for apps, watch faces, music, and more room for smoother performance. Everything just feels snappier. Battery life has improved. The Pixel Watch 3 now lasts longer on a single charge. You can easily get through a full day, even with always-on display enabled and regular activity tracking. With lighter use, you might stretch it into the next day. Charging is fast too. You can go from 0 to over 50% in around 30 minutes. That's perfect if you need a quick boost before heading out. Google has clearly worked on both hardware and software to make the battery last longer while still supporting advanced features. Fitness and health tracking are a big part of the Pixel Watch 3. Thanks to its deep integration with Fitbit, it's now one of the best smartwatches for health data. You get heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, skin temperature, and blood oxygen tracking. The heart rate sensor is even more accurate this time. It gives you real-time updates, whether you're resting or working out. The new stress management features also help you understand how your body reacts throughout the day. The Pixel Watch 3 also includes an ECG app. This lets you check your heart rhythm and share that data with your doctor if needed. It's a great feature for people who want more control over their health. You can also set high or low heart rate alerts and receive notifications if something doesn't look right. Sleep tracking is detailed and helpful. You get a full breakdown of how long you slept, how much time you spent in deep sleep, REM, and how often you woke up. Combined with skin temperature and oxygen levels, you get a complete view of your nightly rest. It's useful for people trying to improve sleep habits or track changes over time. Fitness tracking is great too. There are modes for running, walking, cycling, swimming, and more. It auto-detects workouts and gives you stats like pace, distance, heart rate zones, and calories burned. The built-in GPS is accurate and locks on quickly. So whether you're out for a jog or just walking the dog, you'll get precise tracking. The new pace coaching feature also helps you reach your goals while staying consistent, where OS has also gotten better. The Pixel Watch 3 runs the latest version, and it's clean, simple, and useful. You can respond to texts, check Gmail, control smart home devices, use Google Maps, and access your calendar right from your wrist. The Google Assistant is fast and helpful. You can ask questions, send messages, or set reminders just by using your voice. It works well and feels like having a mini smart speaker on your wrist. There's also support for third-party apps from the Play Store. You can download Spotify, Strava, Calm, Google Keep, and many others. Everything runs smoothly, and it's nice to have so many options on a small screen. Google Wallet also works, so you can tap to pay anywhere that supports contactless payments. It's fast and secure, and you don't need your phone to make purchases. Safety features have improved too. There's fall detection, emergency SOS, and now a new feature called Safety Check. It lets you schedule check-ins with your phone. If you don't respond, it can notify your chosen contacts. This is great for people who go on runs alone or travel frequently. It adds peace of mind without being intrusive. You also get more watch face options this year. Google has added fresh designs that show more data while still looking clean. You can customize them with steps, weather, calendar events, heart rate, and more. It's easy to switch styles depending on your mood or outfit. The Pixel Watch 3 is water resistant up to 5 atm. That means it's safe for the pool or the shower. You don't have to worry about splashes or rain. It's built to handle an active lifestyle. The band system is the same as before, so you can swap bands easily. There are sporty, classic, leather, and metal options available. It's fun to change the look and feel without needing tools. Pairing the watch with your Pixel phone is simple. It also works with other Android phones. The setup process is fast, and everything syncs quickly. If you use other Google services, like Gmail, Calendar, Maps, and Google Fit, the experience feels even more complete. Notifications come in without delay, and you can reply with your voice, emojis, or quick replies. It makes staying connected really easy. Performance throughout the day is reliable. Apps open fast. Scrolling feels smooth. Voice commands work instantly. Music control, timers, alarms, it all just works. You forget about the tech and focus on your tasks. That's the sign of a good product. There are still a few things missing. The Pixel Watch 3 doesn't work with iPhones. It's only for Android users. Also, while battery life is better, it still needs daily charging for most people. There's no rotating crown or physical button interface beyond the main button and digital crown, which might not be for everyone. But these aren't deal breakers, especially when you consider how much else the watch does right. If you're already using a Pixel phone or other Android device, the Pixel Watch 3 feels like a perfect match. It fits right into your ecosystem. If you're coming from a Galaxy Watch, the difference is in the cleaner software, tighter Google service integration, and Fitbit health features. The Pixel Watch 3 also works with the Fitbit Premium service. You get deeper insights, guided workouts, and wellness reports. Google includes a free trial when you buy the watch, so you can try it out before deciding to subscribe. For people serious about health tracking, it adds real value. Price-wise, the Pixel Watch 3 lands in the premium category. It's not cheap, but it's priced similarly to other flagship smartwatches like the Apple Watch Series 9 and Galaxy Watch 6. Given the build, display, performance, and features, it feels like you're getting what you pay for. And for people invested in Google's world, it might be the best option out there. It's hard to find a watch that balances smart features, health tools, and clean design this well. The Pixel Watch 3 is not perfect, but it's a big step forward. It feels polished, reliable, and fun to use. Whether you're checking your schedule, tracking your run, or paying for coffee, it makes life simpler. To sum it up, the Google Pixel Watch 3 brings real improvements in performance, battery life, design, and health tracking. It's faster, brighter, and smarter than ever. It blends the best of Google's software with Fitbit's health tools into one elegant watch. If you use an Android phone and want a smartwatch that's useful, stylish, and reliable, this is one of the best choices right now. Thanks for watching this full review here on Tap Tech. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our latest tech reviews and updates. Let us know what you think of the Pixel Watch 3 in the comments. We'll see you in the next video.